Hi, everybody. Welcome to my table at Kaiser Lee LLC. My name is Petra Kaiser, and I'm part of the Glass Expo 2020. And as you can see, I'm in outer space right now, so that's why I can't come to you. I keep looking at that camera and thinking I could see you there, but unfortunately, I can't see you. So this recording is done with Zoom, and the neat part is I can share a screen with you. There is an elder or older part of a website, let me show you, that is no longer available, but a lot of you are landing on it. Should you land on this website, please go to one of those links to the side here, and it will bring you to the new website. But nevertheless, I changed this slideshow here to be pretty current. Let me show you and move my camera a little bit up here. I'm saying here, Kaiser Lee board for all your kiln forming needs. I know that you guys have other molds, but actually all the stuff that I've made in the past 20 years in my kilns is made with Kaiser Lee board, and it's endless. And I haven't touched, I think, 20% of its possibilities yet. It's amazing. So it's easy to cut, carve, and shape, makes effortless reliefs, meaning that you can carve it really easy, and any design you want. It's a perfect casting medium. Every ring that you see here can be filled with glass and cast. Even the whole piece could be filled with glass and cast. It does not have any seepage unless you have an uneven bottom, then you will have a little seepage. Has no waste, even the scraps can be used, and what I call now the Kaiser Lee board sand from carving can also be used. Does not need mold hardener. It is pre-fired in the factory, and it's firm, and yes, it's easy to carve. It's a funny material. It's not easy to describe. When you drop it on the floor, it might break into a new, interesting mold. There is no organic binders in it, and therefore you don't have a problem with the smell and fumes in your studio. It has a very high alumina content, so glass does not really stick to it. But opaque glass and softer glass gets a rougher bottom, so a rougher downside or kiln side. And therefore, we have all kind of different ways to kiln wash it and use paper and use boron nitride spray and also those things. Even mica powder can act as a release. Iridescent glass does not stick to it. Luminescent, you need a little extra kiln wash in powder form and so on. And then it's reusable countless times. That's the biggest issue when it comes to retail, because you're buying 1 or 2 or 3 boards, and then you have fun with them for the next year or 2 or 3. And then you will be using them for the next 20 years, and hopefully you get more ideas and will be using more molds soon, or make more molds, because the one that you have will last you forever. Okay, let's start with a slideshow. The first one here is a setup of 1, 2, 3, 4 different rings made out of 2 Kaiser Lee boards, different sizes, because you can always use the cutout piece to create another ring. And for it to stand better, I used 4 of them. And when you do that, you can fuse and slump in one firing any kind of bowl. You don't have to do 4 layers deep. You can do 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, but all the way to 4 layers, it worked great. And when you make this hole too small, then the bowl will not stand very nicely anymore. So this last hole has to be this size, unless you cast a foot. You cannot see this very well in this picture, but that bottom piece here is about, you would translate it into like 5 layers thick, but since it has a dam around it, it will make a cast glass foot. That's one of those classes I've taught. And then this one here is a casting that I prepared, a butterfly casting. Unfortunately, I don't have the finished picture because it flew away faster than I could make the picture. Okay, there's more to come. Here is a sample of, oops, here's a sample of, let me see if I can get that bigger for you, the slideshow now. That I don't want. Move this and move this. That should be good. Okay, this dragonfly has a very long body. We always try not to use Kaiser board when we don't need it. So you can put just another piece of board to the side. This way they were able to make this one. Or I was able to make this one for a customer actually. With a 12-inch by 12-inch board and cut off, and I think this is only like 7 inches, and then we cut off a little piece from another one and made the tail and add it onto here, and it casts beautifully. You don't see that it is added on or anything. Here are some samples of of drape bowls. Here is another drape. And these here are the drape triangles that we use for a lot of drapes and different setups. I do have a ebook about using the drape triangles. And here is another setup, oops, for a bowl of the drape triangles. Here is one that is actually an amazing piece, not because it's such an amazing finished piece, but I discovered that glass tacks before it fuses. This has been done in one firing, and I wanted to see what it does if this roll here would come down all the way down, or if it stays and then the glass slumps or tack fuses before it slumped. And here you can see it did actually exactly what I was hoping for. It tack fused and then it slumped, because this was a rod, a twisted rod that they were selling at the Glass Expo in Las Vegas. We are here at the East Coast Glass Expo. How do you like that new name? It sounds interesting and promising. And hopefully next year we're going to be together again. Okay, and here is another drape. Here I just used pieces of board. Some of those center pieces are just already made molds, but since I cover it with a piece of board that I use as a kiln shelf, as an extra kiln shelf, it's okay. So I draped this light fixture. Those are lights, lamps, light, the glass pieces for a light fixture, to say. Yeah. And then, oh, this is it. Okay, thanks for visiting my booth. And if you have any questions, please contact me via email. The link is in the site. And also we will have some rooms. Let me go bigger again. Let's stop this share. We will have a Facebook room during the conference or during the expo. And you can join us. I will have different time and different days, and you can join us at that Facebook room. Okay, have a nice expo. Hope to see you in the room. Bye.